Definitely a stunning car with the top down. Sounds great while it's running. This one has 31,174 miles on it. 275/40 ZR18s in the rear. It's a great exhaust. Definitely a great day to drive this car too. Not as hot out. Sounds really good. Beautiful car. Sport. If you need more help and details on this vehicle, please give us a call here at Classic Coach for more details. We have other vehicles on consignment, in stock, ready to go. If you want your car, vehicle consigned, also get in touch with us. Of course, as you already know, we do service Ferraris and all Italian vehicles.